era of the rise of artificial intelligence and eco-friendly technologies, it would seem that no one can be surprised by new products in the automotive industry. However, Geely confidently proves the opposite. Their new flagship crossover is a real technological breakthrough. Premium interior trim, comfortable space for 6 passengers, and an innovative hybrid power plant that provides sports car dynamics with fuel consumption of less than 5 liters per 100 kilometers. In recent years, the Chinese auto industry has decisively destroyed established stereotypes. Full-size premium hybrid cars are gradually beginning to compete with European and American counterparts in terms of availability and quality of performance. Government support and subsidies play an important role in the development of the industry, helping to increase the attractiveness of Chinese brands among consumers. At the same time, it cannot be denied that quality issues are still a subject of discussion. Nevertheless, Chinese manufacturers successfully pass strict international tests, going far beyond standard safety and reliability requirements. This testifies to the rapid progress that local brands have achieved in just a few years. Watching the development of the Chinese auto industry is like following an exciting race where yesterday's outsiders are rapidly becoming market leaders. How far will the Chinese go? One of the most promising segments of the Chinese car market is the segment of large premium hybrid SUVs. Among the top models, such cars as the Aito M9 and Li L9 stand out. At the end of last year, the Geely Holding presented its new development, Lynk & Co 900, which successfully fits into the general trend of large luxury cars. However, Geely's ambitious plans extend much further. The company is actively expanding the line of its premium sub-brand Galactica, presenting the new flagship crossover Galactica M9. The premiere of the new product took place not in China, but right in the center of European fashion, in Milan. This fact clearly hints at the potential appearance of the car on the international market. The design of the Galactica M9 combines the characteristic features of Chinese aesthetics with modern global trends. A wide light strip connects the head optics, emphasizing the brand's signature style. The radiator grille has been replaced with a smooth panel with active air intakes, which improves the aerodynamic properties of the car and reduces air resistance. The exterior is complemented by stylish elements such as massive 20-inch wheels, traditional rear-view mirrors, and elegant doors without protruding handles. Geely Galaxy M9 has impressive dimensions: length -5,205 mm, width 1,999 mm, height -1,800 mm, wheelbase -3,030 mm. The interior is equipped with a modern air suspension, providing a high level of comfort and adaptation to various operating conditions. Ground clearance in the standard version is a comfortable 200 mm, and the curb weight varies from 2,400 to 2,500 kilograms, depending on the selected modification. Now let's talk about the most interesting component, the technical stuffing. It is important to note that the manufacturer has not yet officially disclosed full information about the engine and transmission characteristics. It is only known that the Galactica M9 is built on the G-Evo platform and is equipped with a Thor-M hybrid powertrain with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing 163 horsepower. The manufacturer is keeping more detailed engine specifications a secret. It is worth noting that specialists from the legendary British company Lotus, now part of the Geely group of companies, worked on the creation of the platform. As a result of this cooperation, active torque distribution technologies between the axles were introduced, which improved handling and directional stability. Thus, the new Geely Galaxy M9 model demonstrates significant progress in the Chinese auto industry, demonstrating serious intentions to conquer the world market of high technologies and prestigious solutions. Driving features, adaptive power distribution algorithms provide confidence and safety even in difficult conditions. Acceleration to 100 in just 4.5 seconds. Cattle lithium iron phosphate batteries with 2 capacity options. Basic version, 18.4 kWh, 85 kilometers of mileage. Top version, 41.46 kWh up to 185 kilometers of mileage. Fuel consumption of only 5 L. 100 kilometers, a full tank plus battery, will provide more than 1,500 kilometers of travel. TREMIUM interior, a spacious interior with individual seats in each row, trimmed with leather and wood. A 6-seater layout is available. A choice of interior colors is offered. A modern digital instrument panel is complemented by a huge 30-inch screen, providing access to all onboard functions. Electric heating, ventilation and massage of the seats of the first 2 rows. The third row is equipped with heating. Exclusive bonus, a folding ceiling display for rear passengers, wireless charging with a power of 50 W. Capacity, trunk capacity, fully unfolded, 2,171 liters. Standard position, 328 liters, enough for a couple of large suitcases. Desk safety, G-Pilot H5 intelligent safety system, supports flow and lane control. Equipped with 11 cameras, 3mm radars and 1 lidar. Allows autonomous driving from point A to point B without HD maps. Price and availability. The official launch is expected soon in the Chinese market. The estimated price starts at around $30,000. Competitors, Aito M9 and Li L9. But the Galaxy M9 promises to be significantly cheaper.